Kain tayo guys! Dinner time! I have a special dinner tonight myself. Ayan. Nag-prepare ako ng pagkain para sa dinner ko ngayong gabi. So, ayan guys. This is my special dinner tonight. Charan! Yes! See? With eggs and okra. Ayan. And noodles! Ayan. So, meron akong fresh okra. Sariwa pa guys. And fresh oranges. Ayan. So, ayan. Dinner tayo guys. Dinner po tayo. So, yummy. Dinner time.